this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Hit that subscribe button. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to our YouTube and Patreon channel members. Big shout out to all of our customers for your business support at Donkey Stomper Products. We appreciate you. Alrighty guys, we've got a Donkey Stomper 800 high drive base HG-8Pill sideband bias CW transmitter. Just have the bias in it of HG-2079s, the good aluminum chrome fans, 220 VAC, sideband delay, and sideband bias. Alright guys, let's take a look at her, see if we can get the meter focused in here and see what we got. We'll look at her on the bird dummy load to start with. Alrighty guys, we'll start straight through SWR. We're looking at the needle on the right. I'm gonna turn it off standby here. Hello worldwide. Hello worldwide. Worldwide Clyde. Get on down. 0 SWR straight through. Turn him on, look at a radio drive, PEP. Hello radio drive. Hello radio drive. Worldwide, worldwide. Look up here at our bird. I don't know if you can see it or not, but 2500 watt PP. Hello, radio drive, about 1,000 peak on the bird. 5 watt reverse. There she is, radio drive. Go over and kick the driver. Just put a brand new set transit. Hello, driver, get on down, worldwide. Here you probably see my ugly mug. Unplug the dummy load, the bird dummy load, put it on the outdoor colossal dummy load. Radio drive. Hello radio drive. Hello radio drive. Look at the LP 100. Wide radio drive. Driver? Hello, driver. Hello, driver. Worldwide. Get on down. Look at my little A-pill. Get on down. 1, 2, 3. There she is, guys. Y'all look ready to go. I gotta remember talking to the microphone, but she's all ready to go. There's a little test review and repair review. Donkey Stomper. Base station, 800 high drive base sideband bias. Alrighty guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your old friend in 10, 0 on A Beavis, Donkey Stomper Products. Bye-bye.